I am going to risk my iPhone 14 Pro Max on this FPV drone to hopefully get some insane shots. So why does the phone look bigger than the drone? $2,000 phone on my FPV drone. This could be catastrophic. But first, why am I even putting an iPhone on an FPV drone? This is an FPV drone and it is capable of doing some insane acrobatic stunts, which is responsible for every insane drone clip you see on social media. Normally we mount a GoPro on these drones and the footage looks pretty good, but honestly the image quality on GoPros haven't really improved for many years, and that's where the beloved iPhone comes in. This year we got the brand new iPhone 14 Pro and its cameras are genuinely better than the GoPro. So here's hoping it will create some insane clips, but FPV drones are inherently risky. They can fall out the sky. I've literally lost drones. And I've actually wanted to test this for a while now, but how the hell do I attach this to this? And I thought long and hard about this until I went on Amazon and I found this GoPro iPhone mount for $12.99. How could this possibly go wrong? So I took a quick trip to Bunnings warehouse and bought some extra things. So that's why we've gone here this early to catch the sunrise, so we get some insane clips on the phone drone. My god, this might be very stupid. Alright, so we've reached the top of the bay marker, is what it's called. It's basically this big spiral hilltop, and we're going to unveil my helper, Afif. Hello, Afif.
Hello.
Yeah, basically, he's gonna be standing here while I zoom the drone around with my freaking phone. And this is what we're dealing with here. We have a phone mount. It looks very fragile. If you look at this like part here, where it connects, it's very thin. So we also have an ND filter that I've blue tacked to the case, and I hope it will work and give me some very cinematic footage. Look, my whole plan here was, look, all this grass is nice and soft.
Yeah.
So if I crash, it's not gonna ruin the drone.
I hope so.
But yeah, we need to do some DIY before we get this in the air though. Let's give this a go. Well, that looks normal, right?
Yeah, I think it looks good.
Dude, why does the phone look bigger than the drone? Alright, so the first area of concern is I don't even know if this will like actually fly, so... At this point, I was very concerned because the iPhone Pro Max weighs 60% more than the GoPro 11. But because I'm so big brain, I went and obtained a lighter drone battery, which will offset the iPhone's heavy weight and hopefully give us some flight. I guess we'll give it a go real quick, and then when the sun comes up, we'll send this for real. I reckon some zip ties across here just in case. I'm asking you, what do you reckon?
Yeah, I think that's good. As in that, how much is the phone?
2.1 Australian dollars.
How much is the drone?
About 700 Australian dollars.
So that's like a 3K,
yeah.
3K piece of equipment right there.
Look, I'm not gonna go crazy. We'll test it out first and we'll build up.
Okay. Alright.
But first, the zip ties. We need these bad boys. These aren't even long enough, so we're gonna thread them together. Absolute freaking engineering right there. There's only one thing left to do. Please God. How's it?
It's flying. It's heavy. Is it? Yeah, that looks sick.
I think we're good.
Wait.
Oh shit, I heard a bit of a snap. We zipped it just then. I'm gonna have a quick look at the footage to see how it is. It looks pretty sick. Except it's angled a bit high. So we are awaiting the sunrise right now. I don't know which idiot made us come here where there's a building that blocks the light. My bad. I think honestly we're good enough to like get the drone to dive it a little bit and the drone won't come flying off. I did a few flips, it looked alright. I might be overreacting, but keep in mind, this is my freaking personal phone. If I don't have this, I'm literally shooting with like a client after this. So if I don't even have my phone, I'm screwed. Let's just film some random B-roll until the light comes, and then it is time. As you can see in the footage, I think it turned out pretty incredible, but unfortunately the ND filter I put on looks like it did absolutely nothing. I was then going to fly again with the wide angle camera, which is more GoPro-like, but we got interrupted by a little bit of exercise. Nonetheless, this is what it looked like with the wide angle, which was a bit questionable. Let's have a gaze on this footage. Please be good. Oh, what the hell? This looks clapped. This looks so bad. What? What happened to this footage? What is with the wide camera? It kind of looks out of focus. So I was pretty confused why the iPhone 14 Pro wide camera didn't really work, so I tried again without the ND filter, and this is what we got. It looks cool, but the footage is so jello, which I have no idea why that is. Maybe I didn't mount it well enough, but that's definitely something to work on for the next time. Regardless, I decided to fly the main camera one more time, and this is what we got. I just flew the wide angle for a quick little bit because the wide angle didn't look that good. I think we did get some cool shots with that main camera. Looks insane. Let me know if this should be a regular thing, iPhone FPV. If we hit 5,000 likes, which I don't even think is possible, well, I've never even come close to, we'll fly this in some beautiful beach near Sydney or just over the ocean. If you enjoyed, comment, subscribe. We're gonna be up to even better and bigger things. I'll catch you in the next one.